All right, so if you're having issues with your key fob and or your smartphone app for your Haven Connect, what I recommend you do is go into your lock and delete the lock. So you can click delete and that will delete the lock. The next step, again, if you're having issues with the key fob, is to reset the key fob. So hold the unlock button down for about 5 seconds. The lock will unpair. It's anywhere from 5 to 12 seconds. Hold it. It will unpair the lock completely from the key fob. And then the next step is to reset the lock. So holding down on the reset button or pair button here for about 12 seconds will reset and cycle the lock back to its original state so you can pair the key fob and the lock. Okay, so now that is completely unpaired from the key fob and from the phone. So what we're going to do is pair the key fob back to it. Again, if you're having issues, this is the best way to fix it. So hold down on the lock button for about 5 seconds. Once it flashes, hit and release the pair button on the lock. They should start to cycle. Now the key fob is paired. So most common issue is just to reset the lock and the fob. We're working through some of those bugs to make the user experience better. Here you can see that the lock operates properly. Now what we're going to do is add the lock to the app. So we'll come back into the Haven app. We'll cycle through the app to refresh it. We'll go to Add, Pair a Device, hit Pair Device, and there you go. That's the easiest way to do it. Now you can name your lock whatever you want. Haven Connect. Complete setup. It'll create the new lock and then it will be available right in the app. And there you go.